Hello everyone. In this episode we will implement a search bar that will allow us to search for recipes by their names. With this feature, finding our favorite recipes will be super easy. So let's get started. First, let's begin by creating a custom search bar widget. We will utilize a text field that will be used to capture the text input from the user. To configure the text field, we will inject the necessary dependencies into the constructor. These dependencies will include a controller, which will be the responsible for managing the input text and the function that will receive the text change. Once we have our custom search bar widget, we can add it to the top of our main page. First, let's create a controller and a string variable to store the text input from the search bar. To build the search bar widget, we need to add the controller and the function that will handle the change in the text input. Whenever the input changes, we will store it in our search recipe name variable. And finally, we will use the search recipe name variable to filter the recipes by name and display the filtered results. That concludes the implementation of our search bar functionality. In this example, we have utilized the search bar to search for recipes by their names. This is all for this episode. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.